hey guys, it's me, Quentin. Well, I just wanted to say my favorite YouTube video that I made was Video Weird Madness. Now, I liked it because it was organized and it planned ahead. I would change the camera angles because it was crooked, and the rollerblading cross so my off-road doesn't fall off. And also, I really wanted to tell you guys that the movie won't be out for a couple of months, maybe, probably. And, when I will do short projects, and like this one, and, so that will be coming out, and I already have all the videos planned out after that. So you can be looking forward to those too. Now, so yes, I haven't really worked on the movie that much, but I will be writing it. Right now I'm trying to find people to act in it, and, you know, internet crew setup and all that stuff. So far, I found one person for sure, and then two other people, maybe. And also, I have other people I'm gonna ask, like, if we need villains, or someone who needs to look old. I can use one that I can use Chase from the gun and who looks old, and all my parents might be in it if they can. And I will be filming at other people's houses, if it's okay with them, because a couple people have woods, and also they have murder settings or something. So yeah, you have that to look forward to. But I am now going to disappear. Good night.
Bye.